Hey, baby.
Hi, dear.
I'm so sorry for taking too long, okay?
As long as you're doing it for the money, okay?
The money is here right before you, baby.
Ooh.
This is your own share. Yeah. So whenever you want to go, maybe you can even get ready now. Let me see you off.
Okay,
Is that
get
okay?
ready.
Yeah, hurry up. Let's go.
Alright.
Okay?
Thank you.
Hurry. Let me drop you off.
Okay.
Wow. So, you're trying to tell me that a man gave you this huge amount of money for transport and for keeping you for like hours, 4 good hours like you said, without touching you.
Exactly what I'm telling you, sister. I'm telling you. You see, these are the type of men I have been craving for. And not the likes of Accuse, who has nothing to offer except empty promises of love. Who love her? Now love I go chop, now money I go chop. Don't be love. Like,
Precious.
yes, sister.
Precious, this man in question, what does he do for a living? Because it is strange to me for a man to give you this kind of money without having anything to do with you. It's not possible.
I don't know, and I don't intend to know either. Yes. See, let me tell you. My major project right now is to make him mine. That's all that matters right now. All that matters to me right now is just him. I am waiting patiently for his call. And when he does that, I will make him think of me alone.
Precious. And you don't know this man that you're tripping for. I mean, a man that gave you this huge amount of money. Are you okay? Precious?
Yes, I know him, sister. I know him and I know his name. His name is Kelvin. And I also know where he lives. Yes. But I'm not going to tell you. You know what? See, this guy is loaded. When I mean he is loaded with money, he's simply rich, oh.
Precious.
Yes. And guess what? He is generous with his money. Everything
is not all about money, okay? John, stop!
What is it?
I need my money!
What is it?
John, give me my money. The money you took from my handbag.
Which money? Look, you better take your filthy self out of my way. I am running late for work. I don't like this.
John, I'm not stopping you from going to work. But you see that money, you will give it to me. I worked so hard to save that money. You're busy giving all that girl's money. How many times have you given me money in this house? How many times have you taken care of me?
Look, Cynthia, I can see you want to insult me this morning. Anyway, you can go ahead and insult me. But remember, I hate disrespect. I won't tolerate it from you. Leave my way.
That money you took is my business money. You have to give it back to me. Give me back my money.
Cynthia! Cynthia! You better respect yourself and leave this bag alone. Allow me leave this house peacefully.
You have to give me my money.
Leave this bag.
I'm not leaving the bag.
Leave this bag. Leave this bag. You want to see what I can do? You want to see what I can do? You want to see what I can do? see what I can do. Let's see what I can do. Look at this fool. You always want to see what I can do in this house. Are you mad? Huh? How dare you hold my bag? Who do you think you are? Try this again next time. Every day you will stress me. Are you stupid? Try it again next time. See what I will do. You fool. Yes, friend. Do you know my fiancée left my house today without letting me know? Like, we just had a little argument and the next thing she was gone. No problem, I'll keep dialing her number. It's okay. I'll keep trying the number.
Hey!
Wait, you
John! Yeah.
What is it?
Why do you beat her?
Mama!
Do you want to kill her?
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Why do you beat her?
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone, Mama.
If I did not leave you, do you want to beat me?
Did your daughter tell you what she did?
Don't you have conscience?
Did she tell her she was calling me a thief?
Don't you have conscience?
Are you aware she's calling me a thief? Mama?
John, I said give one baby.
Mama?
You are evil.
Mama, leave me alone.
It is very wicked.
Oh, you now go and discuss our personal matters
with your mother, right? John.
That's what you do. Eh?
Okay, try to also.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
If I did not leave you, what will you do?
Mama, look.
Will you beat me?
If they sent you this afternoon, tell them you did not see me.
I know, Ajogi. Do you want to beat me?
Mama, leave me alone.
Beat me now.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, Mama, leave me alone. You say your mother is embarrassing me?
Hey,
can you see?
Yes, dear.
I don't understand. No, I don't really understand.
Where did you stop? Please.
What the hell is going on here?
Where did you stop? Continue now.
Osi, continue.
Oh my God.
Osi, continue. Will you get up from that place? Get up from that place, my friend. Are you mad? Continue what? With a married man, are you okay? Are you alright?
Madam, I'm just here to do my job. I don't know.
Eh? I paid for this. You paid for it?
Of course.
What is going on here? No, I don't understand.
What do you think that is going on?
So you left the massaging you're supposed to be massaging your client to be fingering her?
I beg your pardon. Who is she?
Are you speaking English for me?
Married.
Are you mad? Are you not? Is something wrong with you? Are you still talking? Wait, you are still are you still talking? Are you still
For crying out loud, will you just stop it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Are you still talking? Oh my God. You want to see my dog? Let me. Oh.
Married.
Then who is she? Are you mad?
Married.
Hey. Are you stupid?
Married.
Are you crazy?
Married.
Are you mad? Oh my goodness. This girl is trying me. You don't know me. You don't know. You don't know me. I will show you matters today. Look at your man talking. You're still slapping me. Are you okay? Where do you think you're going to Daniel? Daniel, come back here. We're not done. I need to understand it. What was the meaning of that shenanigan, that bullshit you did in the office? I need to understand it.
Married, for how long will you continue to do this? When are you going to stop? When? Huh?
Oh, God. So you had the guts. You had the temerity to finger your colleague in still have the guts to, you still have the panache to reply me.
Merit, how can you just sit and manufacture some stupid thoughts in you?
Oh,
how can you say I'm fingering my...
Oh, no, I am now Dangote, I'm manufacturing cement. No, tell me, explain to me, give me the scientific explanation that your client was mourning loudly. What were you doing with your client? I need to understand it.
Come on,
You think I'm a daft?
Merit,
You think I'm stupid?
Merit. Someone can just mourn out of pain.
Oh, really?
Pains can make someone mourn.
I guess she's so
yes,
good.
not necessarily when I'm fingering someone.
Oh, she is so good because she's not pregnant. She was giving you all different mournings and styles.
I was doing my job. I was massaging her muscles and nerves.
Mamba say to God who made me, I get one compete. Come look at me. I'm waiting for you. Oh God.
Hi, Darren. I'm fine. Are you in the office? Okay, darling. I'm coming right away. Okay. Now let's see how long your stupid wife will be jealous. Let me see if you are going to resist this sexy body this time around. When I arrive, they will know that Ogechi has arrived. Let's see.
Why are you calling, bro? Yeah, that bitch I came back with the other day. You know I didn't do anything with her because of you. So I had to give her money to go back.
Let me ask you, what about Juliet? I mean, aren't you guys together again?
Juliet is ungrateful and she lacks manners.
Well, that I've always known. See that Juliet? She has no iota of respect for anyone or anything. And now you, Kosan, you gave her that hand.
Hi, beautiful. How are you? Please, can you come to my house right now? Just speak any available Thursday. I'll be at the gate waiting for you to pay. Yes. Okay, please hurry, okay? I'll be waiting. You know I love you, baby. I love you so much. I've missed you. Alright, I'm waiting, baby.
Still the new girl?
Yeah, the new girl, bro. Well, I give it to her.
She's more beautiful and even much more mature than Juliet.
Of course, Juliet is a motherfucker. Always nag everything, always nagging. I don't like that. Come on.
Something I've always known. That's why I just know it now.
Oh yes, we run everything. We run full package, then we run per section, depending on what you want. Okay. My equipments are all intact. Yes, and the full section comes with full body steam. Of course, I guarantee you that. Yes. Perfect. And my steaming machine is on point, like much on point. Okay, are you coming? You're coming today? Alright. I'm at your service all day. Thank Hey, okay. Come. Come.
So how has it been over here?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm missing your handsome face. Besides, I heard your wife has been making things a bit difficult here. Is she such a sore loser or something?
Okay, watch how we talk about my wife.
Oh, please.
Mind your words.
So you are trying to tell me that you enjoy being caged by one woman or something? So are you telling me you will let go of this?
Okay, have you been drinking today?
Come on. I've not. I'm as sober as a newborn baby. Anyway, I want a massage.
Hey.
A deep massage.
Oh, okay. Let me start from the waist.
Oh, from the waist?
Just stand.
Oh, God. Chibo. That was this now. Is it a new way of doing it or something?
Okay, you're welcome, madam. So, what session are you looking for?
Oh my God. Oh. Down. Oh my God. Dan, why did you stop? Come on, I was enjoying this now. You would have gone deeper instead of stopping halfway. Let's continue it, please.
What do you mean by I should go deeper?
Dan, come on. I just want a happy ending and that's all.
Listen, okay, if you want happy ending, I can call someone who will do that for you, okay?
Come on, Dan. It's you I want. I don't want anybody except you.
Okay. Okay, I'm married and I love my wife, okay?
Please. Dan, come on, stop this now. I'm not saying you should divorce your wife. All I want is your cock inside me.
Come on. Just put yourself together, okay? I do not want to embarrass you. Take your clothes and leave. Rather, you still have 30 minutes of steam bath, right? Complete your session and go.
Dan, I'm not saying you should divorce your wife or something. Are you going to let this pass?
Okay, stop. Stop it! Right? Take your clothes and leave. Rather, you have 30 minutes of steam bath. Complete your session and leave. Please.
I should leave.
Leave. Okay, stop!
It's fine. It's okay. What you actually mean I should?
Please.
It's okay. Like, Dan, you mean you...
Please. I'll be waiting outside, okay? Let me on the steaming for you. 30 minutes. It's off. Please.
Are you not going to help me inside?
Sorry. Can you just walk in, please?
So you want to be gauged by one woman,
Hello,
right?
ma. Hello, ma. Can you complete your session? Steam bed remaining, please. 30 minutes.
Mama, welcome.
Precious, where are you going to? Dressed like this?
Mama, I am going out. Eh? What is wrong with what I'm wearing?
Everything is wrong. Ederomananya. Let me ask you, do you take a look at yourself in the mirror before going out? Don't go to Tide. They can do no oniro, ndi akola kola. Ha! Yake iri, ni mona. Uye kusirigia.
Mama, I look like a kuna. Mama, see, I'm going out there. I might not be coming back tonight, okay? So don't wait for me. Echekwenam, biko, nakbo. All right now.
Precious!
Hey, Mama, oh,
Precious!
Oh.
Come back here.
Ngwano.
Precious!
Ayafunu.
Come back here.
Bye.
Naga. I say come back here. Hey. Where it goes to that you want to go and spend the night? Can't you look for a tangible handwork to engage yourself? A responsible handwork. Hey. One guy, I'll be talking.
Kev, I'll be upstairs.
You're supposed to be here earlier before now. What happened?
I'm sorry. I had to finish everything I was doing. At that time that you called, I was very busy. So I have to finish up with everything I was doing at home. Okay? Because I don't want any side distraction.
Now listen to me. I hate lateness. Yes. If we must do this, you must keep to my time. Not to do things in your own timeline. I won't take it because it won't work. Did you hear what I just said?
I'm very sorry. It will never happen.
Sorry for yourself.
You don't ask me to sit.
As I sit there, make yourself comfortable.
Are you not going to offer me something to drink?
Oh, sir, there's a drink and there's a glass cup there. So serve yourself.
Is everything okay? Because it's not like you.
What do you mean, is everything okay? I've been here waiting for you and you're here telling me is everything okay? Am I supposed to be smiling with you? Of course you can see this is 3 p.m. and it's time for work. I can't leave my work and attend to you. It's impossible. Maybe you can go upstairs and take care of yourself. Thank you.
Brother, India still remains the best for master's degree in medicine now.
Jessica, I understand what you're trying to say, I understand your aspiration, but the cost of studying abroad now is on the high. You have to look for one of these, government universities. There are a couple of them that are doing well.
Daniel! 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 You cheating bastard! Look at you! You are nothing but a hypocrite. Daniel, what is this?
Come on.
What is the meaning of this?
Baby,
what is this? What the hell is this? What is a woman's lipstick stain doing on your clothes? I need to understand.
Baby, I can explain. It's not what you think.
Oh,
right?
really? Tell me what you think. Wow, nice.
You see,
I'm listening.
I was working on a client.
Oh.
She tried to force herself on me. I resisted, and that was how this
You must
happened.
really think I'm stupid, right? You must really think I'm a daft, right? What do you even want from this woman?
No.
What do you even want in a woman that I do not have? Even with my pregnancy, I still give you doggy style. I give you bed style. I give you all the styles. What else? I even give you gorilla style.
I'm contented with all of that.
So what else do you want from them?
I didn't cheat. I'm not cheating on you, darling. Jessica, I didn't. All right? It's just one of my clients. You know these girls, they can be crazy.
I fucking know what to do.
Brother, this is so obvious. Are you sure you don't do this one?
I did not, honestly. The lady was trying to force herself on me. I resisted. But how do I... let me just...
I don't know if she will believe you. I don't know if she will believe you.
My dog. Don't worry, let me talk to her, okay?
Let me come back, let me help you.
My dog. Baby, please. Let this not get to you, okay? I can explain it up. Let's just...
But I have phone.
Don't tell me that. What kind of nonsense is this? Can you imagine? You have the guts to have a lipstick stain on your clothes and you're there telling me bullshit. Don't you dare come near my door. Are you crazy? Go back to those your clients. Good for nothing he-goat. You're a bastard. You're a buckle. You're a disgrace to manhood. Idiot. Buffoon. Hippopotamus.
Kelvin, what's up?
Good, what's going on?
I'm okay. Are you still on this with the client?
Yeah, I need to convince her. You know the matter now.
What about your girl?
Oh, she's inside the room, sorry.
Wait, you mean she's been in your room all this while and you're down here? Why?
Bro, we're talking about Benjamin here. All I need is money. Women is the last thing on my mind, bro. Pursue Benjamin and forget about women. Next time, if I tell her to come and see me again, she'll come on time. Did you get that? And whenever I come and put your eye in so that you can see what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
You won't be asking me questions.
Not again. Not again. You can't sleep. You can't sleep at this night again. Not again. Sean, why are you doing this now? Why are you doing this?
You know you're my sweetheart.
Yes.
And I love you very much. And you know I can do anything for you.
I know.
Wait, I have something for you. Here you go.
Excuse me, John. What is the meaning of this?
Is it not enough?
No. What do you want me to do with this? No, don't say anything. I told you I needed 75,000 naira to change my hair and look good for you. And all you could do is to give me 25,000 naira after having me all night? Really?
Look, babe. No, I know I promised to give you 75,000 by the end of the month. But they have not paid me. See, this is what's going to happen. Just manage this for now. And by the end of the month, I will still give you 75,000. I promise.
Like different 75, like this one is not among.
This is just for your upkeep. Come on, babe.
You have to be explaining. Tell me in time. Let me know.
I hope you're happy now.
Yes, I am.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, I have to run along now. I'm running late for work.
Alright.
Alright? I'll see you later, okay?
Alright, see you.
Have a lovely day.
Alright, bye.
Babe, go shower, let's go out and eat something, okay?
Yeah.
I know you must be hungry.
Yes.
Oh, good.
A delicious meal is good after making up, you know?
Oh yeah, you're very correct.
So I'll suggest you give me money. Let me go to the markets and prepare something for us. Something delicious. You love it.
Oh, you cook?
Yes.
Whoa,
I love cooking. And you know where I'm from, Imo States. You know us now. Our cooking skills is top notch.
Really? Mm-hmm. I'm loving you the more, baby.
You love it.
Come. Let's go.
Sure. You want one for the... Oh, baby, wait, you're going to fall me. Okay. Ouch! Guys, for you.
Yeah. Here you go. There you go, baby.
I'm coming. You can go. I'm behind you, okay?
Really?
Yeah, baby.
That's smart for you. Oh. Food is delicious. Man, it's very difficult. Oh my. Yeah, baby. This is for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
I do.
That's good. Enjoy yourself. Wow. Food is delicious.
very nice.
You like it?
I like it. It's nice. It's very nice.
What's that? What's that? What's the meaning of that? Huh? Listen, if you don't know how to eat, you better take this thing out of my sight. Are you mad?
Baby.
Are you that local?
I'm sorry, baby. It's never happen again. I'm sorry. I'll reach gently.
And let it not happen again.
Okay.
Let it not happen again. Did you hear me? Are you stupid? I've been talking to you, wanting you. Can't you make use of my advice? Are you mad? Are you stupid? No, come here. Are you stupid? Bro, you see that precious girl? That girl is a big turn off. She talks too much. Come on, damn! What's that? What's that? Come on, it's a big turn off, man. It's a big turn off. Huh? You talk too much, I dislike you.
She talks too much.
Yes!
Wait, let me get something. This same Precious. I've been thinking say the girl get sense so.
Omo, that girl no get small packaging.
Oh.
She doesn't know how to eat. She eats like no village girl. The only thing she knows how to do is sex. When you talk about sex now, bro, she will satisfy you with that. I can't deal with that. I cannot deal with that shit. Come on.
Women. That gender will stain your white.
I'm telling you, bro.
Okay.
Huh?
Hi, Benson. Good morning.
Save it again. Sit down.
Are you ready to go? Let me drop you off. Good.
I'll be waiting outside.
Good, I'm coming. Go. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. No. I can't sell it for that amount. Okay, let's... Well, that one is fine. I'll send the 70k. Thank you, eh? Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Alright, bye.
Why are you looking at me like that? Can't you go and serve me breakfast? Are you not the one I'm talking to? Can you take your beautiful self out of that seat and go and get me breakfast?
I know beating me is what gives you pleasure. You can go ahead and beat me. Beat me to your satisfaction. I don't care. You see that kitchen? I'm not entering there today. And by the way, why didn't your girlfriend give you food? You slept at your place, squandered the money you stole from me, and you expect me to give you food. Shame on you. Shame on you! Nonsense.
I know you're looking for who to kill you, but you will not die by my hands. Nonsense.
And let me remind you that my quietness is not stupidity. Do not push me.
Are you threatening me in my house? Wait, Cynthia! You're threatening me in my house! Instead of to give me breakfast, you're busy threatening me in my own house! I'm waiting for that your bad girl part. Nonsense! Just imagine. Yeah, like, so what if I went to see a woman? What kind of nonsense is this person who carry somebody and keep in this house, and the person will not give you peace? In fact, you have to give me food in this house. You have to give me food in this house. It's my house.
Cynthia,
Mama.
Are you saying that you have not seen your sister since yesterday she left the house?
Mama, I have not seen Precious.
Yeah.
If I have seen Precious now, there is no how I will allow you to be walked up.
Okay, call her. Because I've been calling her line since yesterday. She's not picking my call.
No, don't let me call her.
No, listen to me. You know how much I hate repeating myself. Take that food to my house. My boy is there to receive that food and pay him. What's your problem? Yes, I ordered 3 plates.
Hello? Yeah, hello, Cynthia. Good morning.
What happened to your manners? Can't you see I'm on call? What's your problem?
I am sorry.
Shut up! Will you shut up?
I'm supposed to go somewhere.
And I said shut up! Useless girl.
She picked and ended it.
And what did she say?
No, wait, there's a message. She said she's on her way home. So you have to relax.
Okay, don't worry. Let me go to the house and wait for her. Oh, Moniata.
Mama.
She will tell me where she spent the night.
Mama, can you just
come on? To go.
Just relax.
Precious
will give me high BP.
No, let me go and meet her.
She's not the only daughter you have.
Don't worry. Let me go and see her.
Mama. My Precious.
Judith, I'm so sorry about everything that has happened. You know, my wife has gone haywire since I married her. I don't know what came over her and all of that. You know, she suspects every of my move, honestly. It hasn't been easy.
It's okay. I understand. But you have to make her to trust you. Because that's the basic of every relationship.
I understand. Thank you for your understanding. I appreciate. How is okay? I believe she will, be keen to nail me down.
Yeah. But you have to look for a way to make up with her. Because she has vowed to cut every ties that is between you both. And you know if she does, you will be the one that will lose, not her. Because she makes the supplies for you.
Please just find a way and talk to her on my behalf, alright? I'm sorry for everything.
Okay, I'll try.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Hope you're fine.
Yeah, trying to be good.
Precious.
Mama.
Oh, Gini.
Mama,
what happened to your face?
Hi.
Gini.
Mama, I'm tired. Let me go in and rest.
Tell me what happened to you. Tell me what happened to your face. Why do you go to Amnya forever?
Mama, Otenku, Adeku, you're from Nelunku.
So you can't have what happened to you? Tell me, I'm your mother.
Mama, I'm tired. Because I'm tired. I don't even have strength.
Hey, would you want to be here? Hey.
You mean he slapped you? That was why you ended the call on me. Then he compensated you with an expensive phone. Also gave you 300,000 and you're happy.
Yes, of course. I ought to be happy about it. Because that is the kind of man I have dreamed of. Yes, a generous man to a fault. I went to configure my phone. When you guys were calling, that is what I was doing. Yes, so.
Precious. And you're not scared of what you'll become tomorrow.
Why are you sounding like this now, sister? Eh? See, let me tell you something. It is better for me, Precious, to cry in a private jet that is flying than to laugh inside keke. Oh. Me, Precious, I cannot laugh inside keke. Hey, hey.
Precious, my sister.
See, Sim.
I want you to stop seeing that guy. Please. I'm already in a toxic relationship. And I wouldn't want you to be there too. Please.
What? I should leave Kelvin. Have you left John? Eh? Someone that is spending over $1 million plus on me just in a day. But John, he will beat you blue and black, morning, night. And he will not do anything. He will not even give you anything. Talk more of to even change this your phone for you. Eh? And you're asking me to leave Kelvin. For what now? Have you left John? Eh? Go John. I cannot, sister, don't tell me you're being jealous. Eh? Are you jealous of me? Don't be envious of me now. Eh? You're supposed to be happy. Be happy for your sister. Eh? It's better for you to cry in a private jet than to be walking under the sun. Other man on your skin, just like just look at your hair. It's not even looking good at all. Eh? John is not taking care of you. You see? And you're asking me to leave Kelvin. Onyego. Hi! Onye has to go to millions. I cannot leave Kelvin. No. Also, you have to see him from morning till night. I will remain there. I will remain there.
Precious. You have been talking, I've been quiet. It's not that I'm stupid. If not for this pregnancy, I would have left John long ago.
Oh. John.
Okay? John wasn't like this when I met him. And I believe he would definitely change. So if you want to talk to me in my shop, lower your voice.
If I hear say John change, I better forget this talk. Let me tell you something. See, it is better for you to cry in a private jet.
Enough!
Eh? Leave that in Kanka John. Enough of what?
Leave me the way I am.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh.
Thank you.
We're about to leave, eh? See what I've got.
Hey, come back here, please. See me when you're back, how I don't understand. What are you saying? Eh? Why did you say you're going to dress like this?
Baby, what do you stand to gain by always pretending not to remember some things I tell you? Huh?
You say you're going to wear. What did you say? You're going to wear just like this.
Didn't I tell you I was going to see Santos, my friend who came back from the UK? I even asked you to join me. You said you don't want to go. So why are you asking me and complaining?
Hey! So because you want to go and see your friend Santos that just came back from UK, that's why you're wearing a short that is even showing your full legs, your sexy legs that can be able to seduce all those young girls on the street. That's what you want to do, right?
Come on, baby. This is a casual dressing now. I mean, there's nothing here.
You're not going anywhere. When you're done ranting, go back inside there.
Listen, baby, I don't just want us to start now, okay? Seeing my guy is very important to me. He has been a good guy. In fact, we haven't seen for ages. I need to see him. Trace is even coming along with me.
Wow. Wow. Ambulance. Beautiful. But I am telling you that you're not coming. In fact, if you have to go and see your friend Santos, then I am coming with you.
But you said you weren't interested.
And I changed my mind. Why do you have a problem with it if you don't want to go see another woman? Why do you have a problem with it?
Okay, we can go like this. You're well dressed.
Why should I go like this? I am a 21st century woman. Hello? Are you kidding me? I have have to represent.
It
please.
is just a casual outing.
Meanwhile, I need you to come inside and help me pull my panties down because you know I'm heavy. I can't move. I can't bend. No, I won't take it. I can't take this rubbish anymore. Can you imagine the bragadash? The bullshit? What a fucking catalog. I can't take it. What? Why are you not saying anything?
Let me go back there.
My friend, will you come back here? Go back to where? Go back to where? You're not done with embarrassing me? Are you not? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the thought to come back as long as I'm talking to you. What is your problem? I am waiting for you. We shall see. We shall see in this house.
What is love without trust? What is love without trust? Who am I without you? I stand by the promises I made to you.
Bia, you witch. Why are you looking at me like that? Haven't you seen a tall, dark, handsome man before? Huh? Nonsense.
Look at you. Rejected imbecile like you. You dare call me a witch? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
What did I just hear you say?
You heard me right. You're drunk.
Oh, okay. Today I will show you how a drunk behaves. Since your mother did not give you proper home training, I will help her and train you. Mo are a drunk, eh? I'm a drunk. I'm a drunk, eh? I'm a drunk. Nonsense. You're calling me a drunk in my house? How dare you call me a drunk? Nonsense! Eh? You. About stupid pregnancy. Look, this is the last time I will take any insult from you in this house. I am still the man of this house, and you cannot challenge me and go free. How dare you call me a drunk in my house? And you're still claiming right. What nonsense! I will just elbow you now and scatter your life! You want to come to my house and be calling me a drunk? I'm even talking nonsense in my house! Try me again and see. We will know who is the drunk and who is not the drunk! Nonsense! You're calling me a drunk in my house!
Hello, Cynthia.
What? Cynthia, are you okay? Jesus Christ!
Yes, I am coming. I am coming. I'm coming to the house right away with a taxi. Okay. Are you okay? Just look for a way to run out of the house. Alright, alright. Okay. Mama! Mama! Mama!
Yes, precious.
Come! Mama! Mama, let's go.
Go to where?
Cynthia! John is killing her!
Oh my God!
Yes! Let's go! Jesus!
Cynthia! Open this door!
Cynthia, you there?
I'll break this door!
Are you there, Cynthia? Open this door!
John, Mehuza!
Open it!
John, if you want to my sister! John, Open it! Do you want to kill my daughter? Do you want to kill her?
Can you imagine?
Open this door! Open it!
Just find a way to come out, please!
What's the meaning of this? So people cannot stay in your house and sleep. What is this?
John!
What is the meaning of this? Oh, you want to report to your mother about this thing, eh? We cannot have privacy in this house again.
John, you want to kill my sister?
What is this? Can't you stay in your house?
Kill her!
Can't you stay in your house? Can't you stay in your house? What are you doing about your sister over there? Can't you stay in your house, Mama? Can't you stay in your house? What is the meaning of this? So you can't stay in your house and I can't stay.
Let's go, Mama.
Something in my house. Okay, don't do. I know what I will do. I know what I will do to you people. You think you will get away with this? You cannot get away with this. Watch me and see.
Officer, that's him.
Hey!
That's him. Arrest him.
What is it? Arrest who?
Arrest him.
Why?
Officer.
Arrest him.
Officer.
I'm innocent, though.
Policeman.
What did I do?
Arrest him.
Arrest who? What is it, officer?
You want to kill my sister? Arrest!
Officer, what did I do now? What did I do? What's this?
Ewu, you want to kill my sister for me?
Benson, please. Can you help me talk to your friend Kelvin? I'm tired of him beating me all the time. I'm not a punching back now. In any slighted provocation, he will just hit on me. I'm a woman. He will do this thing one day and kill me. Please. Please help me talk to him.
It's okay. Alright, it's okay. In as much as I'm not holding forth for him, in as much as I do not support beating women. I mean, Kelvin has complained about you severally. He has complained bitterly about your attitude.
I'm a changed person. I'm not who I used to be. Please.
It's okay.
Just talk to him for me.
It's okay. Okay? It's okay. I will go talk to him. Okay? All I want is for peace to reign.
Thank you.
Alright?
Thank you
In
very
as much
much.
as you're giving me your word that you're a changed person.
I'm a changed person. I'm telling you the honest truth.
Okay. It's all good. Relax.
Thank you.
It's a good thing he's at home, so let me just go upstairs, talk to him.
Thank you. God bless you.
Fine. Don't worry, alright?
Thank you.
What are you still doing here?
I'm sorry I was late. There was an emergency I was handling. I'm sorry.
How many times have I warned you that I hate lateness? If you know you cannot come, why not tell me instead of wasting my time? Precious.
Baby, I know, but I was busy at the police station. That's why I couldn't meet up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please try and understand your baby. Please. And I've missed you.
Don't even come close. Go back. Stay back, please. If you want to apologize, you kneel down and apologize. That's how responsible women do. Did you get that? So kneel down. Did you hear me? Yes. You kneel down and raise your 2 hands up. Did you hear what I said? Good. So do it.
Just to show you how sorry I am. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I promise you I will abandon everything I am doing to come see you. Please forgive me. You know I love you. I love you so much.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I do.
You love me from your heart?
From my heart.
Then why the lateness?
I was busy at the police station. That's why I couldn't meet up. I'm sorry.
Okay, remain here. By the way, I have something I'm doing upstairs. Okay? I'll get back to you. Okay? Yeah.
Maybe you mean I should remain here?
I said, remain there. That's a punishment. Did you hear that?
Okay, I will do anything for you.
Okay.
Dan, is that what happened?
Honestly, I do not know how to handle this situation better. I have tried my possible best to make my wife understand that I love her so much and can never cheat on her. But she's not understanding because of her insecurity, or should I say, low self-esteem.
Why would you think so? Your wife is beautiful, intelligent, even educated. From the way she's going, let her not cut this chain of friendship. Because the friends you make today are the connections for your children tomorrow.
You're right. But you should understand she's my wife, not a girlfriend.
I know. That's the more reason you have to be very serious with her. Because if anything gets to happen, she will have to blame you from now till the world ends. And she herself is the one to suffer it most. Yes.
How is Santos? Is he still in town?
Oh, yes. We waited last night for you, but anyway, you should be in his room sleeping in the hotel.
Honestly, I'm so sorry about what happened last night. I know he will be so angry at me.
Oh, no, not at all. Because I told him you are so busy with something important. Yeah. It's okay. Just calm yourself down, okay?
Oh my God.
What? Precious. You're still in the kneeling position. No, you've been here for like 3 hours now. No, this is unacceptable. Calvin! Calvin! Yeah, calm down, bro. Please, please, please. Kelvin. Yeah. I went up there to plead with you. To sort things out amicably with your girl. And it's been 3 hours and she's still kneeling down. What is this, bro?
How is it your business? Listen, are you the one dating her? Or will you tell me what to do?
Oh, my apologies. I didn't get the memo.
Oh, good.
You know, I had no idea I've become an intruder.
Well,
I'll leave you two to it then, since it's none of my business.
Beautiful.
Babe, no,
Please, I am sorry. I promise I would never punish you again, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
I'm very tired.
You're very tired? I'm sorry.
I'm hungry and tired.
You're hungry? Just a minute. Let me call my dispatch right now. Just mention anything you want to eat at all. What do you want to eat, baby? Babe? Babe? What do you want to eat? Just tell me. Is it fried rice and chicken? Eh? Is it fried rice and chicken?
Fried rice and chicken.
Okay, fried rice.
It's juice.
Oh, juice, right? Is it cold or hot?
Very cold.
It's very cold, right? Yeah. Boy!
Sis? Sisim.
What is it?
I want to tell you something. You see, Kelvin, I know he might be a little aggressive, but he has a large heart. And he's the exact kind of man I have always wanted. A man who knows how to take care of his woman. You know?
Precious.
Sisim.
So, you prefer the so-called Calvin? I mean, you prefer the way he maltreats you, beats you up in the public, treats you like an animal. You prefer that to your happiness. Precious, can't you learn from my mistake? Or do you want to learn yours in the hard way? Is that what you want?
I beg, stop it. I don't understand. You want to compare my Kelvin with your John? That evil John? It's not possible now. Eh? So tell me, sis, has John ever taken you to a 5-star restaurant? Hmm? He has not done that. He has never in his life taken you to a 5-star restaurant. Okay, let's talk about him spending 20k for you on a date. He has never in his entire life done that. Eh? He has never. Eh? But Kelvin knelt me down for over 2 hours and took me, Pre, to a 5-star restaurant and bought me food worth 100k. You see? 100k! As I was even coming back, guess what? He transferred 50,000 naira to my account. And you expect me, Pre, to leave such a generous man? You know the possible. I will not leave him. I will even hold him tight like this.
You know you're very stupid. You have lost it all. If not that you're my younger sister, I would have dealt with you. But you know what? I will leave it under the carpet. But I just want you to know that grave you're digging for yourself, if you don't take time, you will fall into it in a
You really want to fall into it?
Well,
Don't mind her. Don't mind her. She wants to live a life that is more expensive than her.
Oh.
I've never seen somebody, Nadia Roro, that chooses to have every good thing on this earth. But only my daughter that decided not to work. But she wants to have everything for herself. Precious. Precious someone. Precious someone. Listen to me. Stop fooling yourself for all manners of useless and baseless excuses just to justify your stupidity. Go out there. Where they are working. Go and look for something doing. Engage yourself in something tangible.
Mama, what is it? Eh? What is it? Am I complaining? No, tell me, have I ever come to you and complain? What is all these things now? Mama, see, I am going to do anything for the money. Yes, so if he likes, let him tell me to kneel down for 100 hours. I'm going to kneel down for 100 hours. As far as he's giving me money.
My friend!
I am going to do it.
Will you shut up?
What is it?
She doesn't used to be a word.
I've said it all.
Very stubborn rats. Spot rats.
Nah, but why you go? Me and the mother. Omaraso, also nikwe. Onomaraso, also nana. Okoro adi akonye korea.
Only the reason now. Only the reason of apatopia so that it will be painful. She will feel the pains.
Talk to her. She's your sister.
Mama, you are the cause of all this.
Go talk.
She's the spot brat. You caused it. Precious this, precious that. I don't blame her.
Wow, this looks so great. Whoa! Look who we have here. Darling, you're welcome. Come on. Are you okay?
Awesome, hi. Who is this decomposed element?
Come on, baby.
Who is this whore? Doesn't come on, baby. Are you alright?
Honey,
Bro, who's this lady and why is she calling me whore?
she's my sister.
It's not even up to 2 days. 2 days that I went to Kano for a program. And you already had the guts, the panache, to invite a retarded Olosho into our matrimonial home.
Watch your words, alright?
Hey, what's up? Get out! Are you mad? Which condition? What stupid condition are you talking about? What are you doing in my husband's house? What are you doing in my husband's house? What are you doing? Easy.
Oh my goodness. Even mind you.
She's my cousin. She stayed in Brazil. She just came back.
Why is she behaving like a wild animal?
Hey, you did not tell me that she was your cousin, your sister.
You never listened to me. I was trying to call your attention to.
He went there, Hugo. You need to calm down. You need to relax. Look, I'm not like that. I am not like that at all. See, I am a very loving soul. You love. See that? You can see I'm a lover person. I love people. They did not tell me. It's not a pregnancy. I don't know.
Girl, you're something else. Please, give me peace.
I'm sorry. You need to relax. I'm sorry, I didn't know. What do I prepare for you? I can prepare fried rice and chicken. Hello? Wait. A cappuccino, coffee. Oh my God. You did not tell me. You did not
tell me that she was your cousin, your sister?
Come on, baby, I called you. Remember, I was trying to explain, to tell you my sister is in our house. But he cut off the phone. He couldn't even allow me to say a word. Huh?
My waist.
You see what I was saying earlier? Oh, sorry. Sorry, we're not done. Just sit first. Sit, easy. Wait, hold on. Okay, please sit. Huh? Please sit.
Sophie, calm down.
Don't tell me to stay calm. I can't be calm. Don't tell me to calm down. Did you see what happened in there? Did you see what she did to me? She attacked me. Oh my God, did you even tell her I'm the only child of my father? Oh my goodness, look at what she did to me. And you want me to be calm? I can't. I've lost it. I've lost my cool. I can't find myself. Jeez. I was so scared to my stomach. Wait a minute. Oh my God. It has to do with this country. You mean anyone can just wake up and take laws into their hands? Back in Brazil, you can't do this. It's not allowed. If you have a problem with anyone, you call the cops, not to exhibit violence. This is too much.
Sophie, have you ever heard the phrase that love is jealous?
I have. 1,001 times I have. That doesn't justify one being rascal and prone to violence. With this kind of attitude, my darling, she might kill someone and go in for it. She can go to jail for maybe life or a very long time, you know.
Just relax, just calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down, you're getting me mad. Please.
Butu, calm down.
Excuse me. Didn't you sign a prenup? I mean, prenuptial agreement with your husband when you guys got married?
Prenuptial? No, we did not. Can I sit down?
Please sit.
See, I am really sorry for the way I reacted. But put yourself in my shoes. Coming back from a trip, seeing your husband with another woman, how would you feel? Please, forgive me. In fact, I did something that you're going to love. I took my time to go through use Google, you know, to find out the very delicious and wonderful meals that you people eat over there in Brazil. So I was able to make a brigadeiro and moqueca. You will love it. Moqueca and brigadeiro. Okay. Come, let me give it. Come and try it. That is the amount, something that you people used to spend money on. You will love it.
Hey, my sweet sister, my sugar, my pepperito. Hey. Swear that you were not cheating with that your secretary. Swear. Swear.
Mary.
Now you're speechless. What was I expecting? That's guilt conscience. It's written all over you. Look at you. You can't even look at me eyeball to eyeball properly. Cheat! Cheating bastard. You're a very stupid man.
Are you really thinking so low of me? Like, are you really looking down on me? Merit, you have everything a man wants in a woman. How could you ever imagine that I, your husband, will be looking at that loved for what?
Well, it is quite...
Is her beauty anywhere close to yours?
I don't care. Because it is quite obvious to me that the thing in between your legs knows no difference. Look at you. You think I am one of those women that you can be messing with? You were busy sleeping with your own secretary. You see this thing both of you have been doing? The day I will catch both of you, I will bait her with carbon dioxide 404. Carbon mixed with mistake. That's what I used to bait her that day. I would help her beat that her stupid chronic vagina that she cannot keep to herself. As for you, I will deal with you. You think of those women you can marry and mess with? I'm a Gen Z bad wife. I will show you shaggy.
Is he searching for a foul and needed